Hi, my name is Sean Benedict Balid. I'm student nurse of Naga College Foundation, and I will I will demonstrate the intramuscular injection. First, read the physician's order carefully and prepare the correct medication card. Observe the format and color and shape, and wash and dry the hands thoroughly, and gather all necessary articles. So this is the necessary articles, and read the read the label of the drugs to be injected, and check against medication card. After checking, disinfect the top of the ball of the vial with the cotton balls. Sure. And after cleaning the vial, and remove the cover, and pull back the plunger up to the level of the discard amount of drugs. And change the aspirating needle with the appropriate needle, and expel the area, ex- expel air bubbles. And after, check check the drugs level to, for the third time. After checking, place the syringe on the tray with towel or the original plastic pack, and return the valve storage area, or if ample ways of return the valve to storage area, or if ample way was used, discard ample. And take the medication tray together with the medication card, dry cotton balls with the alcohol, and the syringe to the patient's room. Correctly identify the client by asking her name, and explain the medication, action, and procedure to be done. And prepare the dry cotton balls. Tatanggalin natin yung needle, and tatanggalin natin yung bubbles. And after tatanggal natin yung bubbles, muscle with the free hand and with the cotton, and inject the needle in the right angle. So, po tayo. And after, release and hold muscle and support the needle hub. Support natin. And aspirate the slightly pulling back plunger to the para i-check kung may veins or blood vessels na na-hit and wala. And inject the drug slowly putting a plunger if meron po siyang na ng blood and na sa inside cam ng barrel. If meron po, kailangan natin i-withdraw yung syringe immediately. And if wala naman po, and assist the and ituturok na po natin. And assist the patient to comfortable position and provide aftercare equipment and wash hands and dry truly and chart the medication sheet.